In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a trailing stop loss on interactive brokers. Now currently I'm over here on IBKR desktop, and to do this it's actually quite simple. First you have to find whatever you want to trade or whatever you want to set a trailing stop loss on. I'm just gonna go to quotes over here. I'm gonna select Apple for this tutorial. Of course you can do whatever you want. This is just an example on my simulated trading account. And then you want to go ahead and do a buy or sell order over here, and then whenever you select this, in here you won't have the option to do that, and that's because you want to go to the advanced button down here. So click on it, and this is going to open up the order ticket in a separate tab. And if you scroll down here, it's under description, it says order type. You can click on that, and there's going to be a bunch of different ones, and as you can see, one of them is trailing stop, and you also have a trailing stop limit. So just click on that, and over here you'll be able to go ahead and select everything, such as your stop price, your trailing amount, stuff like that. And then of course you can customize everything else as well, and whenever you are happy to actually take your order, you can then go ahead and preview it and then submit it. So that's how to set a trailing stop. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.